it's Lady Ray and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another makeup tutorial and this time it is not Blackpink again. Okay, I know I've done too much Blackpink related video. I'm gonna stop right here. Today we're actually doing MAMAMOO's newest comeback. This time I want to choose Hwasa for the makeup today, and again I'm not doing the makeup on myself. I have a model right here. What's her name?
No. I'm Ain.
Yeah, her name is Ain and she will be my model today, and for the reference picture I will insert some pictures over here, here, okay? The look that she was like chilling with a jaguar, I think. Yeah, it's not a cheetah, right? Yeah, it's a jaguar. It's a little thicker than cheetah. Alright, really quick before this video starts, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell down below. You know what to do, and let's get into the tutorial. So for the foundation, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Warm Beige 05. I choose this instead of something that is lighter than her skin because Hwasa is very tan herself. And so I'm just gonna use something that is close to her skin tone. And if we want to brighten it later, we can just always use a concealer. So like that. There's a little excess on my hand, so I'm just gonna put my sponge in here, absorb some of the product, and then we're gonna blend. Absorb. Yeah, this is like perfect match for your skin. You know.
Cool.
Next for the concealer, I'm going to use this A2Say. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is like a Japanese brand, and this duo concealer. So I'm going to use the darker shade to conceal any hyperpigmentation. So a little bit on the chin. I mean, she doesn't have like that much of a blemish, which I'm so jealous of.
I do.
No, you don't. Like compared to
mine. To look closely.
Alright, so after that, we're gonna use something a little bit more liquidy, and this is the Maybelline concealer. This is 20 Sand, and I'm gonna use this to brighten her under eye. So right down here. In the center of the face, Cupid's bow, chin. Same thing, use a damp sponge and blend away. After highlighting the center of the face, we're going to go in with a loose powder. This is Coty Airspun Extra Coverage. And we're just gonna dust the face a little bit, not too much. So to mimic that glorious tan on Hwasa's skin, I'm going to bronze up her face and use a little bit of contour because she has like hell of a fucking cheekbones and I want that on her. So
this is chubby.
No, but you have a cheekbone there. You have a guideline.
It's so big.
For bronzer, using the Catrice. I always purchase this one because it works so well and it's not that expensive. Yeah, so we're just gonna bronze up the cheekbones. We're not contouring, okay, just bronzing. So the difference between contouring and bronzing is to warm up the face. So you use something more warm tone, so you look more sun-kissed. But contour, you need to use something cool tone to enhance the bone structure. For contour, I'm going to use a different shade, a cooler tone brown, and we're gonna use this along her cheekbones over here.
That's a very cute brush.
Yeah. So it's small.
Precise.
Yeah. You have like a really good like guideline already.
Oh, what do you mean guidelines?
Like I can see a dent here.
I cannot see it myself.
It's like a natural like shadows on your face. You need to look for that. After the cheekbones, we're gonna contour the nose. So we're gonna snatch this nose up.
Very, what do you call it? Short nose? What do you call it? No. I don't have a nose bridge.
Oh, the nose bridge, yeah. So you want your nose bridge to be higher. Nose contour.
Because my face is round, so it looks like my nose is just disappeared.
Well, you know what? It's not as bad as you think it is.
Oh my god. You did it like me!
What?
I did it here too. Every day.
That's the button nose?
Yeah.
Because you want this to...
Yeah. Even search tutorial. How do you get a button nose? How do you contour a button nose? That's exactly how I do it.
Yeah, that's to highlight this and here. So it makes it more... Okay, so with this huge ass fan brush, I'm going to contour her jawline.
Damn.
Yeah, but with the contour shade, not the bronzer shade. Does it feel good?
I feel like a cat. Feel like a cat.
Feel like a cat? We're creating a little jaguar princess over here. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use the NARS Orgasm blush on her cheeks. Okay.
Okay.
Have you used Orgasm before?
What? What was the question?
I meant the product. I meant the product.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, so this is like a little pinkish moment with some gold shimmer, like super innocent.
I just saw something on the back.
Don't fucking scare me.
I did. Okay.
Are you sure it's not my shadow?
It's not.
Moving on to the brows, we're gonna use the Innisfree Eco Eyebrow Kit, and Hwasa has like a dark color for the eyebrow, so I'm gonna use this dark one to just give her a tint. While I was doing her blush, she was telling me how she has a lot of like ghost related story. Do you want to like share one with us?
It's just when I was young, really young, when I was in Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's just that like I constantly see, it's not like a person or something. It's just shadows. I think it's something physical. Like I have mental disability or something.
Really?
Because it's not just
mental disability.
Because it's
how did you jump to that?
No, it's not mental. I mean like something in my brain.
Right.
It's like I perceive colors and shadows differently. It's like I can see another color or something.
Wait, isn't that there? Yeah, there's a term for that.
I don't know what it is.
Like, I forgot what it is too. So basically, for some people, like if you look at numbers, they see colors.
Yeah.
Or if you listen to music, you see colors.
So I'm colorblind?
No, it's not colorblind. It's like something about your senses. Like it's linked to something else. I don't know. Maybe it's that.
I'm like, if any of you can see something, can you see something beside me? Because I say there's like a woman beside me every time. There's.
Okay.
Every time I'm here.
Okay, turn to me.
It's, what do they call it? It's the one who protect you.
Guardian angel?
I don't know if she's an angel, but maybe she is.
Okay.
But I've met the people who can see things. It's different people. They don't know each other, but every time I go, like they would say, "There's someone like a girl beside me." Shit. Like a protect. I don't know. They say she's pretty. I was like, okay.
Okay.
And they say she smells nice.
Ew! What?
I don't know.
Like a ghost smells nice? The fuck?
Yeah. I don't think it's a ghost.
Okay. Like a spirit, maybe? Like, what's the difference between that two? I have no fucking idea.
There's a difference.
Ooh, okay, so next we're gonna move on to some eye makeup. Yes.
Eye makeup.
So in the reference picture, like the one that is with almost kind of like reddish, bronzy, a hint of golden kind of eye. I don't know, but it's not too dramatic, but it's definitely something like warm and kind of goldish brown. So I'm mainly going to use this Smashbox palette. Yeah.
Smash
so
it.
this is the Ablaze eye palette. So you have a lot of like really pretty warm tones color. I'm actually going to prime her eyes before the eyeshadow, and we're gonna use the Age Rewind in Light Pale. Close your eyes, please. So we're gonna start with this burnt orange over here. Next, to clean up the crease, I'm going to use this white shade, and we're just gonna lightly dust it around the crease line so it doesn't look too harsh. Once we have already warmed up and deepened the crease with that color, I'm going to dip into some shimmer shade, and I'm going to use this kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a reddish brown, and I'm going to use my finger and to just apply that all over the eyelid for that bronzy effect. I've already applied the shimmer shade, and right now we're just going to go back again to that burnt orange, and I'm going to apply some onto her lower lash line to just, I don't know, give a little oomph to the eye. Yeah. Yeah, so look up, please. Now that is done, we're going to deepen the eyes and smoke it out a little tiny bit with this darkest brown shade over here right beside the burnt orange, and I'm gonna apply that with a smaller crease brush and apply it onto the outer corner of the crease right here. So close your eyes, please. And what I like to do about these more darker shades is to able to make it more concentrated on only that specific area. I would pat it first, and once it's dark enough, and then I'll blend it. But I won't drag it like too far away, only focusing on this area and just keep blending, and you will have that flawless smoke out effect.
Did you read a dictionary?
Why?
I like your vocabulary.
My vocabulary?
I'm like, it flows so nicely.
If you want your side, like the eyeshadow, to be kind of like, I don't know, clean, some people will use a tape beforehand or concealer. Sometimes what I would do is use a little bit of a loose powder, it's everywhere, and use the tip of the sponge, and then to kind of like bake the area. So along the line here, just stamp over here, and then turn the other side and stamp. Okay. While the eyes is kind of like baking right now, I'm gonna move on to highlight, and this is my favorite highlight palette, the ColourPop in Nude Endo. I think I'm gonna mix these two and to highlight pretty much fucking everywhere. By the way, I'm using a fan brush. We're gonna highlight her cheekbones over here. Hey, I mean, you already have that highlighting effect from the blush already because there was a little bit of gold shimmer, so we're just kind of add a little bit more to enhance. And for the nose, I'm going to use my finger instead. We're going to use this one over here, this golden one, and then here. And I'm going to use this little brush that I use for contouring, and we're going to brush off the bake. Can you close your eyes? Yes. So we're going to brush the bake off. And this should leave a pretty clean and sharp line beside the eyeshadow. Oh my god. Okay guys, the next part is the part that I'm most fucking nervous for is the eyeliner. So I'm gonna keep it pretty thin because in Hwasa, in the music video, she doesn't have like a very thick one. So I'll try to make it thinner. And probably not as long as she had in the music video, but let's see what we can do. Okay, so
should I hold my breath?
Okay, so the wing is finally motherfucking done. Oh my god, I'm having a bad wing day today. I don't know fucking why, but off camera we're going to, you know, apply some lashes and also curl. Probably wear a fake lashes. Once the lashes step is done, we're gonna be back in right now. No. Oh my god, it took like, you don't know it, but it took me like 84 years. Oh my god, we're finally here. We're finally at the finale. Okay, look at that. Snatch. I'm going to use actually 2 lipstick. These are from Nude Sticks, and one shade is Royal. This is more of a blue tone red. Yeah. And this is Raven. Okay, so this is a more plummy and darker red. So I'm probably gonna mix these two and applying this with a lip brush. So I'm gonna outline first using what is this? Royal first. Okay, so that is Royale all over on the lips, and now we're gonna do a little bit of a lip contour. Okay, we're gonna deepen the center and then kind of blend it outwards. So give that a nice pout. Oh my god, guys! My Jaguar Princess is coming together! Oh my god! Hwasa inspired makeup. Oh my god, who are you, bitch?
know.
Oh my god. Do you like it? Like
Yeah.
personally? Like would you wear this like on a date?
Of course.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
If I want to get laid.
And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the bell, you know what to do. If you want to follow me on my social media, they are right up there. And if you want to check out my other videos, they are right down there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!